Good morning to my dear students. Fast economic development of a country is possible only if the government gets adequate revenue from the public. Since tax is a major source of revenue to the government, it is the duty of every person to pay tax and to comply with all the legal requirements related to tax. But the assessee adopt different methods to reduce the tax burden. Today's class deals with this. Let us move on to the topic. Distinguish between tax planning, tax avoidance, tax evasion and tax management. The first basis of difference is the meaning or the definition. Tax planning, it is a way to reduce tax liability by taking maximum advantages through exemption, deductions, rebates and relief without violating any legal provisions of the Act. Tax avoidance prevent or reduce tax liability by taking advantages of the loopholes of the law. In the case of tax evasion, it is the illegal way to reduce tax liability by a person. That means a person conceals his real income or withholds actual information regarding his income. Then tax management complains of the legal requirements of the law. And the second basic difference is the objective. The main objective of tax planning is saving of tax. Then tax avoidance is hedging of tax, and tax evasion is concealment of tax, and the tax management is compliance of the legal formalities associated with tax. And then move on to the next difference, the nature. Tax planning is moral in nature. Tax avoidance is immoral in nature but without breaking the law. Tax evasion is illegal in nature, and tax management is tax administration. Then need. Tax planning is desirable, and tax avoidance is that means it can be avoidable because of it is immoral in nature. But tax evasion is objectionable, that is it is illegal in nature, that is by adopting the loopholes. Or then tax management is an essential one. The next basic difference is the result of it. The tax planning benefited in long run. Tax avoidance advantages in the short run. Tax evasion, in the case of tax evasion, the authority may impose penalties and prosecution. We adopt tax management, penalties, interest, prosecution, etc. may be avoided. Then legal implications of tax planning is it uses the benefits of the law. Then tax avoidance is it uses the loopholes in the law. But in the case of tax evasion means it is the actual concealment of fact. That means, for example, concealment of actual sales or have unrecorded sales, non-disclosure of capital gains, etc. That is, it overrules the law. Then tax management is it implements the law. These are the differences between tax planning, tax avoidance, tax evasion and tax management. Thank you.